This is my 30-second review for the Acer Smart Plug device. This is it right there. With that said, let's get started. So the Acer Smart Plug device, how does it work? Basically, you plug this into an outlet and then you plug another device into that outlet. And by doing that, you can monitor your power consumption as well as your carbon emissions. So if your carbon emissions are going up, you'll see that. If they're going down, you're doing the right thing. That's exactly what you want to do, reduce that carbon footprint. And if you ever run into a situation where suddenly your electricity bill spikes, you're wondering, okay, what's causing this? This will let you see with historical data what your consumption is 1 week compared to the next week. So if you know what you want to figure out what's causing it, you can do exactly that. I know I personally run into that situation and it sucks. The next, what I consider the best point, is the minute control you get over your control. Using the Acer Smart Plug app on your phone, you can basically have scheduling control and timer control over how this works. So if you're not at home, you're out of home, you can set everything to be off. If you're at the office, you can set everything to be off. If you're not going to be home in 10 minutes, you can turn everything on and get it ready so everything's good to go when you come back home. With that said, again, this is the Acer Smart Plug device. Go ahead and do your part to reduce your carbon footprint. Hopefully, it's up to you, and that's it. Bye.